Da kajing temu banyo penyak shakhmat jingiakren iasuk hapadeng ke sorkar India ke sorkar jela bat ka kunhun keng atiar belasyak ken bean ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC. Ha kashitrik uyayong arhajar arpuar ke sorkar ke lalu me kejingelang bat uksiang kata uba PTS Dakar bat IT hu ban penyak shakhmat ya jingiakren iasuk. Ya kini kejingelang lalum do Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kabalaidan lang usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Tunsong u Menteri Korbari Kejelau ba Lakmen Remboy ka Special DGP Kong Ainong Rang uksiang uba PS Dakar bat kiwe-kiwe ki officer Kejela. Uba Lakmen Remboy uloong ba kesorkar pedeng kesorkar Jela bat ke HNLC ki kwa ek jing syongsuk bat ukermen scam ba usok bat yang unmi legba kene kejing ekran isuk. Kadbau Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba kesorkar kadane kejing Thrang ban pen urlong no ya kejing ekran isuk bat kadang trish tom ban poi shikene kebenta. Hendrai ya mentahi kampat long ke babiang ban pen pau ni yatho AA.
Baro arteli baro kesorkar bat ke ni kiseng ki kwa ya kejing iasuk ke kwa ban poi shakat hong jang kejing iasuk tengah kermen scam ba hakini kisingi ngamla ban spesial kuma ong pinu don kong ba ngim ka ban ron commentary ya ke ba ngila ban le tengi kermen scam ba uso unlong ba biang tang kata. No, we have a meeting to review the law and order in the state. In that meeting we have discussed many things, so but I cannot deliberate much about what is discussed in that meeting. So but the meeting is for to review the law and order, moreover to see how the process of talk goes on smoothly.
It's a normal process, as I said, and the process is to continue. So I've been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward. And that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share. But as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion.
What about the HNYF leader? They are offering him to negotiate.
Well, as I said, the details you can talk to the interlocutor. So from my side, now all the process and discussions are to the interlocutor now.
So what was the meeting all about?
The process, discussion.
When will be the next meeting?
It'll go on. It may happen in the weeks, maybe days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to allow you to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work.